morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video, welcome to the Bitcoin family channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi. In today's educational video about the Bybit exchange, I'm going to teach you how to trade futures on Bybit. So it's very important that you know the difference between a spot trade and a future trade. All of that in this video. Let's quickly deep dive into it, how to trade futures on Bybit. Bam! Leverage trading on Bybit means you're trading with borrowed money. For example, you have $100 and use 10x leverage, you can trade as if you have $1,000. If the price goes up, you can earn more than usual. But if the price goes down, you can also lose your entire $100 very quickly. If the loss gets too big, Bybit will automatically close your position to stop you from losing more than you have. So it's more profit or more risk, depending on how the market moves. Before we place any trades, you'll need to move your funds into your unified trading account. At the top of the screen, hover over Assets and click on Unified Trading Account. Then click the Transfer button in the top right. You'll now choose where your funds are coming from, funding or Unified Trading Wallet. Let's say your USDT is in funding. Set from funding and to Unified Trading. Then pick the coin, for example USDT. Choose the amount or just hit all to move your full balance. Click Confirm and that's it. Your funds are ready to trade. Now we're ready to place our first leverage trade. For this, we head over to Trade at the top. Open the drop-down menu and click on Futures. Now we can open the drop-down on the left and select the coin. And in this example, we're going to take a look at how to place a leverage trade on Bitcoin. Once you're inside the futures screen, you'll notice it looks very similar to the spot screen. We've got the chart here. You can jump between the 1 hour, 4 hour, all the way up to the 1 day time frame, or zoom right into the minute charts if you're looking for quick scalps. On the right side, you can look at the order book and you see where buyers and sellers are positioned. That gives you insight into market sentiment. Is Bitcoin under selling pressure or is it attracting strong buy volume? Use this to your advantage and try to time your entries accordingly. Now here's what we need to understand next. How do we place the actual trade? There are two types of margin, cross and isolated. My personal preference, always go with isolated. Why? Because it protects your account. If a trade is liquidated in isolated mode, you only lose that one position. But if you're using cross and the trade gets liquidated, you could lose your entire leverage account. Yes, cross gives you more flexibility, but the risk is way higher. My advice, stick with isolated. It's simply safer. Use my special link down below here to sign up to Bybit and claim your amazing bonus up to 30,000 US dollar. You will receive $30 for just signing up. Use my link down below and click it now. Now let's talk about leverage. How many X should you use? For me, I tend to stay under 10X. Usually I open a trade at 2x, 3x, maybe 5x, never more. Why? Because on 5x leverage, for every $1 you risk, you're also risking $5 from the exchange. It multiplies your gains and your losses. So start slow and only scale up if the trade is going your way. Of course, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. But today, we're going to walk through an example of a 5x isolated long and a 5x short on Bitcoin. Just like on spot, you can place either a market or limit order. Let's go with market. And let's say we want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin with 5 times leverage. That means we're opening a trade worth $500 of Bitcoin, but you are only using $100 as your own capital and borrowing the rest from the exchange. Bybit charges a small fee, so keep in mind that it can affect the final value of your position. So essentially, you're using $100 to trade with the power of $500. we also want to protect the trade. So let's set a take profit at 115,000 and set a stop loss at 104,000. We're going long, so we click buy long. You'll now see the full breakdown of your trade. Market entry, target 115,000, stop loss 104,000, and a leverage of 5x. Now let's look at shorting the market. Say we want to go short at the current price, and we're trading $100 worth of Bitcoin with 5x leverage. That gives us a $500 Bitcoin position, but we're only risking $100 to trade with the power of $500. Now we want to protect the trade. So take profit at 102,000 and set a stop loss at 110,000. We're going short, so we click sell short. And there it is, a fully protected short setup with all the details laid out clearly. Market entry, target 102,000, stop loss 110,000, and leverage 5x. Whether you're going long or short, always make sure you understand the order type, the leverage, and the risk involved. Start small, use isolated mode, and trade with a plan. If this walkthrough helped, check out my other Bybit tutorials.
I hope you really enjoyed today's educational video about Bybit. Again, guys, if you appreciate all of these Bybit educational videos, then please give these videos a thumbs up, share all these videos with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and please use the links down below to sign up to Bybit. That is how we earn our referral fees, and that's how we can keep creating this amazing content for all of you out there, guys. I wish you an amazing day. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.